Realme announced its latest phone, the Realme C21, to come and be the latest phone in the economic C series from Realme, which offers acceptable specifications that suit the needs of users of this category, most notably the large screen, the giant battery and the storage capacity that is sufficient for many applications and files. So let us know the rest of the full specifications for Realme C21. What are its most important advantages and disadvantages? The price of the phone, $108. Please do not forget to support us and subscribe the channel. First, the specifications of the Realme C21. The phone weighs 190 grams. As for the manufacturing materials, the phone is completely plastic, whether in the back or frame. The phone supports 2 nano SIM cards. The screen comes in the form of a notch in the form of a water drop and comes from an IPS LCD with an area of 6.5 inches, with HD plus quality, with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels, at a pixel density of 270 pixels per inch, and supports display dimensions in a ratio of 20:9 to display larger content on the phone screen, whether while watching videos or play games. The phone supports the ability to increase storage space via a memory card, up to a 256GB. As for performance, Realme has used a MediaTek Helio G35 processor, with 12 nano technology, with a pubg G8320 graphics processor. The processor is the same that we saw from Realme previously in its phones such as the Realme C12 and Realme C11, and in Xiaomi also in the Xiaomi Redmi 9C. The front camera of the phone comes with a 5-megapixel camera with an f2.2 lens slot. The rear camera comes with a triple camera, where the first camera comes with a 13-megapixel camera with an f2.2 lens slot, which is the primary camera. As for the second camera, it comes with a 2-megapixel camera with an f2.4 lens slot, which is the camera for macro photography. As for the third camera, it comes with a 2-megapixel camera with a slot f2.4 lens, which is the camera for isolation and portraiture. The phone supports shooting videos in full HD quality, with a resolution of 1080 pixels, at a capture rate of 30 frames per second, and also supports shooting in HD quality, with a resolution of 720 pixels, at a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Security and protection means the phone supports the fingerprint sensor and comes in the back of the phone, and also supports the face unlock feature. In addition to its support for other sensors such as accelerometer, proximity and compass. The phone supports the 3.5mm headphone port. The USB port comes from microUSB, the second version. The battery comes with a capacity of 5000 mAh and supports 10-watt charging and reverse charging. You can use it as a power bank. The operating system comes with Android 10 with a Realme UI interface. Secondly, Realme C21 features supports the fingerprint sensor, which is now necessary. The battery comes with a large capacity that is sufficient for your daily use without the slightest problem. An acceptable processor for the price of the phone, but it is not intended for games. Redmi 9 still excels in the processor. Realme is following in the footsteps of Infinix in solid and random large memory, trying to attract the interest of its users. The phone supports 2 SIM cards and a memory card at the same time without the need to dispense with one of them. Disadvantages of Realme C21. We did not find earphones attached to the phone box, not even the back case. It lacks support for a secondary microphone for noise and noise isolation. The external speakers are on the back of the phone, so it is easy to mute them by placing them on a level surface. You will need a long time to charge the phone because of the weak charging capacity, which is only 10 watts. The phone does not offer a radical change in the C series from Realme, as it is nothing more than a repetition of the specifications. It comes with an old operating system. The price of the phone, $108. Subscribe the channel for more and do not forget likes.